Good morning to all my beautiful people. We're currently in Ocala. I'm with Josh and Renee. We spent the night here at this hotel. It was kind of trashy, but I mean, 70 bucks, all three of us, screw it, might as well. But we came to Silver Glen Springs. We're checking out right now, so let's go ahead and go meet with Josh and Renee. So let's go ahead and go over there. You got Josh right there, you got Renee on the other side. Renee, say hi. All right, what's up? So we're at Silver Springs right now. Got my boys with me. Here's the thing though, I can't take this camera in with me, so we have to switch to GoPro Vision.
You can't bring your drone.
Oh yeah. We can bring a GoPro. Can't fly my drone though, that sucks.
Yeah, they're racist.
They are indeed racist. But let's go ahead and switch to GoPro Vision. We are on GoPro Vision now. Audio kind of sucks, but we're here. So Josh didn't do his research. This isn't a swimming spring. It's only for kayaking and such. As you see from Renee's face, he is very pleased.
Look out my face too.
Oh well, make the best of it. We just finished eating. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't that great. Coffees, meh. What?
I'm not pissed anymore.
Nice. We're gonna go get some kayaks and take it from there. We have to be in sync.
I'm copying you.
Use your shotting gun.
Shotting gun?
Yeah, dude.
Okay.
Nope. We are synchronizing. I don't want to alarm you, Renee. There's a fucking snake swimming.
Where?
We passed it already. I flipped for a second.
I don't want to alarm you. Oh my god, dude, we just passed by a snake.
Oh, Renee, please don't kill us. We're going straight into a tree. We out here, boys. We out here in a kayak. Josh over here kind of solo because he thinks it's cool. But we were told that there were monkeys around here. Where the monkeys at?
One, but I see this one all the time. What a bitch.
Shut up, nerd.
Nerd.
Kayak mission complete. How you feeling, Renee?
They're really good.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Josh gonna go get his keys. Where are we going next? Find out next time on Total Drama Island. Yeah?
As far as I threw it.
Yeah. What a dork.
Beard's weird. What's that? Oh, thank you.
Sure, well, thing. Kayak mission complete. That's pretty cool. I'm actually not tired.
My ass is wet. Speaking of ass.
We all have that one friend. You are my friend.
What if you hear some person randomly?
I wouldn't be surprised honestly. Naruto is giant. We're out here. Better go get some ice cream with the boys.
We have a function. We have a function.
I'm gonna have to bleep that out. Ice cream time. We're pretty much done here. So now we're going. Well, I'm going to Tampa. You guys are going back home?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to go bowling tonight. We're going to take a shower and stuff.
Dope.
Refresh ourselves.
Get revitalized. Nice. I'm going to Tampa. I'm gonna meet up with Roberto, Marissa. We're gonna go downtown and shoot some photos. It's gonna be lit. Okay, so let's bring. See you later. Bye.
This concludes our vlog.
So we're pretty much done here, huh?
Yeah.
Just getting gas and we're cheesing it.
Yeah, pretty much. I think Renee, no, he's still up.
We have Renee here.
Hi.
And I'll see you later, bro. Be safe. Don't get hurt. Kill the Indian. Thank you. What?
What was that?
Don't worry about it. But that's pretty much it with these boys. I'm gonna head to Tampa and meet up with the other guys. We'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great day.
Later.
Peace.